So this is a TJ Maxx haul. The first thing I got was this silicone spoon rest. I thought it was cool because a lot of times I have to take a plate and use that as a spoon rest. And I think this is much more a cooler way to rest your spoon, I guess. This was $2.99. I thought it was worth it. So let me show you how to use it. You know, you're cooking and you want to put your spoon down, but you don't want to put it on a dirty counter. My counter's not dirty, it's clean. But, you know, whatever. You use this instead. And it just holds your spoon. And it has slots for like more than one spoon. So like you can cook multiple things. Look, let me just show you. Alright. I know I'm awkward, but you see, that's so cool. Okay. Let's see if it's dishwasher safe. It's dishwasher safe. Yeah. Cool. The next thing I got that I thought was cool was these tea infusers, $4.99. I like the color. It was gold, and I thought that was really cool. Kind of elegant or sophisticated or whatever. So yeah, what you do is you squeeze it, put the tea in there. Let's see if I can open it. The tea in there, and then you put it in your cup and let it steep. Okay, the third thing I got from TJ Maxx was this lemon juicer. What do you call it? Citrus juicer. So you could juice your citrus, juice your oranges. I don't think orange might not fit in here, but a lemon or a lime, maybe an orange might fit. Let's check it out. Let's see if this is a dishwasher safe. No. It says warm wash. It's hand wash only, so no. Not dishwasher safe, but I think it's a cool color. Different. Most I've seen were yellow or green. I have a old orange here that needs to. Oh, you can fit it. Wow. Okay, so a small orange might fit, like one of them juice oranges. I keep the old oranges. I use them as a simmer pot. In my simmer pot, I don't throw them out if they go bad. So this is actually what I went to TJ Maxx for, looking for these. I saw the measuring spoons a couple months back, and I was like, you know what, it'd be cool to have the cups to go with it. And I looked on Amazon, it was like 20 bucks, and I didn't really want to spend the money on it. And I finally found it at TJ Maxx for $9.99, and even $9.99 I think is a lot. I usually buy them at the dollar store, but I love the look of it. It's just really cool. It just looks sophisticated. I'm into like the gold accents, so any gold utensils, I'm like, I get suckered into buying it. So I'll show you the spoons too. These were the spoons. The only problem is they did get a little rusted right here. But I still love them. So I just wanted to say, I can't remember how much I paid for these. I think these were $5.99. And the last thing I got were these straws. My husband and I drink apple cider vinegar. We mix it with water, but we don't want it touching our teeth. So we figured we'd get some straws to eliminate the contact with your teeth. So if you're into like apple cider vinegar and you take the apple cider vinegar shots, this is a good way to minimize contact with your teeth, because after a while it'll wear away at the enamel. So I figured I'd pick these up, and these were only $2.99. And I think the dishwasher is safe. Oh, they are dishwasher safe. And it comes with a little brush. So that's cool. So that's my haul for TJ Maxx. Thank you guys for watching.